We've all been there, driving down the road. You come up across this guy that's got his turn signal on. It's been flashing for the last 5 miles, and there hasn't been anywhere on the road in 5 miles for him to come onto the road. So, you keep saying to yourself, dude, turn off the flasher. Don't look forward to the day when you're going to be the old guy. Well, anyway, I discovered something the other day. Driving down the road, looked down and I saw that. Well, saw it on the dashboard. Hadn't been any turn that I'd made in quite a while. So I realized that I'd become that old guy. Well, this is what I've done to fix the problem. Thought to myself, what is the most annoying sound that I can remember in automotive history that I could add to the truck on the turn signal so I could hear it? I got to thinking about my 94 Chevy pickup. And it had this stupid seatbelt buzzer that just wouldn't quit. It was annoying as hell. So I pulled the seatbelt buzzer and I stuck it up on the stupid bench so that I figured if I ever sold the van I could stick it back in. Well, I ended up scrapping the van, so I never stuck it back in. I hooked that stupid seatbelt buzzer up to the turn signal light on the inside. Every time that little green light flashes, that turn signal buzzer comes on. If you look at the schematics for the 63 GMC, you'll find that the front right and the front left turn signals both feed into that little turn signal bulb. That puzzled me for a while because I couldn't figure out where they were grounding it out. Then I realized that what they're doing is, as the light's flashing on the one side, it's grounding out through the bulbs on the other. So that little turn signal light bulb feeds power from both sides. And what I did with that stupid turn signal flasher, or that seatbelt buzzer unit, was I hooked it up between those two leads. Up here under the dash, right here, that's the signal, or the buzzer unit right there. And what I did is I tied it in between the right and the left turn signals, just like this little green dealie there is. And every time it flashes, it feeds from one side to the other. That's loud enough that I can hear it over the engine and exhaust noise, but it's not so loud that it overpowers me. It reminds me to turn off the signal. That's how I defeated that problem.